See, the Lexus RCF spawn build, it wasn't all about the car. See, it was a representation of hard work, determination, bringing a dream to a reality. And every time I looked at it, I said, damn, you did it. But that reality short-lived. But the dream never faded. Because when I lost the Lexus, that's it. I only lost the Lexus. But the dream to create and turn something not only into my own, but to bring my vision to reality. Because you see, they thought it was gone. They thought it was finished. Nah. Never. Because you see, then Spawn 2.0 came about. And this was just the beginning. The beginning of the return. Small mod here, small mod there. But really, I was just bringing that reality, or that, oh, my cats. See, I had to reach deep down. But it was my first time. And to bring that dream to the forefront, to prove, see, I never lost. I lost a Lexus. And I brought to you Spawn, the resurrection Porsche.
Ferrari doing 80 when I switched lanes. I was waiting for you down at 79th and Biscuit. I was fucking with you, now the shit is getting risky. Hop in the Chevy photo with the rims, beating on your pussy, baby. Like damn, if you fuck with bitches, then bring your friends. Lot of sketchy niggas, but I'm nothing like them. And from the drive, you can feel the wind on by the side. 2020 Bonnie and Clyde, and when we ride, hesitation. I get the bus and need an alibi, cause like John Lennon, I'm a jealous guy, baby, where your mind at? I've been trying to find that. I've been getting money. Check out all these diamonds. I can give at least 10 fucks with a bitch say. I'm in the Ferrari doing 80 when I switch lanes. I was waiting for you down to 79 and Biscuit. I was fucking with you, now the shit is getting risky. That's my queen, that's my queen.
You say my man doesn't have a voice of his own. Sheesh.
Delicious.
That's my glow up. She's a beast in the shit. Do it till she fucking throw up. Lock and low on the block. Just hold up. I'm on a boat like I'm Noah. Taking shots like a soldier. These niggas, they some hoes, bro. They be trying to control zone on the pill and a half in a spaceship, baby, fly over. Yeah. I'm in my zone on the pill and a half in a spaceship, baby, fly over. I can give at least 10 fucks with a bitch say. I'm in the Ferrari doing 80 when I switch lanes. I was waiting for you down at 79 and Biscayne. I was fucking with you, now this shit is getting risky. I can give at least 10 fucks with a bitch say. I'm in the Ferrari doing 80 when I switch lanes. I was waiting for you down at 79 and Biscayne. I was fucking with you, now this